rowers, make sure all those weights and mats
I
go
hope I
back.
get a raise for this. A bonus.
Everything down.
Maybe a gift card to Chick-fil-A. This episode is brought to you by Secret Active. New Secret Active provides protection in the moments when it matters most. We are at Orangetheory very early in the morning.
Yeah, it's like a circuit training thing, and I think class is starting like right now, so.
We gotta go!
Let's go!
Let's go.
Get jacked. Jarrett and our guys. So welcome to Orangetheory Fitness today.
Thanks for having us.
We have a strength day. Strength day, we focus on inclines on the treadmill, heavy weights on the floor. Pretty standard.
Oh,
strength
so
day
standard
workouts.
for me.
A lot of vanity muscles that we were working on today.
Love that.
So you guys have your OT beat monitor here. You guys
Okay.
are all wearing heart rate monitors. So that's gonna show you your calculated, your average percentage heart rate that you guys are working in.
Okay.
We're focusing on getting 12 minutes or more in the orange and red zone combined. Any injuries or restrictions, please let me know. I'll give you some options for those movements, okay?
What if I have to poop?
You have to poop, then you're gonna have to no, you know what? There's no time for pooping. Sorry.
No.
So sorry, but if you do it very intensely so you get in that red zone.
I don't think I'll have much trouble doing it intensely.
All right.
What's my technique on this, Jarrett? You're the workout expert.
You are wasting energy right now and you're crazy.
Joggers,
your boat.
4.5 to 5.5 miles per hour.
Row your boat.
Just try to ramp into it gently, you know?
I'm already tired.
We're picking up the pace here. We're going 26 to 30 strokes
too
per minute.
high?
So at that stroke rate, you should be up at least 80 to 100 watts.
I'm already
That
doing
is
a
your
good
one in the upper
job.
right-hand corner.
Rowers in 3, 2, rack up your handles, guys. So come on down to your stations on the floor. So for this exercise, your weight's gonna be at your side, feet stay hip width apart. You're keeping that chest up tall, coming down for that squat. Coming off that squat, nice and explosive exercise, pushing those weights up overhead. Focus!
I'm in the woo!
Is that heavy enough weight?
Always heavy.
Remember, you're alternating side to side.
I am.
So as you guys step out, make sure that that knee stays back behind that toe line. There's a 7,
Low he goes.
base in 3, 2, 1.
Everybody here, get it out.
Erin, 3% away from that orange zone. I know you're on the floor. Maybe heavier weights will get you up
That was
in those
God.
anaerobic zones.
God's talking to
It
me.
is strength day after all. Good work, Jared. Nice form. 15 seconds. Calls at 6%, max 12. Let's go. Erin, keep that weight up in your chest. Get it up there.
These are just chilling and chatting. So how are you?
I'm doing so well.
I love Orangetheory.
All right, guys, we're halfway through it.
Thank God.
Going up to that.
Honestly,
Make sure you guys
I've never been more excited to do cardio in my life.
Yeah, that's actually true. That's very tricky of them.
I know. We're supposed to be on an incline.
So block
Yeah, you
one.
got
It's a
it.
total of 5 minutes.
I don't know why I'm trying to help you. You're like, you're a workout pro.
Final seconds. 3, 2, and walk it down. Remember, team, we don't jump the rails. 3 miles an hour, 1% on the incline as you're walking, recovering.
This is really hard.
I'm
dying.
I need to sit down. And a snack.
Then 3, 2, let's go ahead, guys, light that board up. Powering through your legs. Remember, 60% power legs, 20% core, and 20% arms. Finish it strong, guys, let's go. Come on, power. Rowers in 3, 2, and recover. Racking up those handles, rowers, back to your treads. Look at your distance. Whatever you put down, that is your challenge when you come back to the row after your next trip block.
Our brains are not working. Our bodies are not working. Try not to throw up right now.
Make it count. Finish it stronger than you started. Let's go. Don't jump the gun on me just yet. down.
Oh God.
Sorry.
Oh God. Oh God. I'm not throw up. I'm not.
Excellent job, guys. That's a wrap.
Oh my God.
We are done with class 4. So make sure all those weights and mats
I
go
hope I get
back.
a raise for this. A
Get
bonus.
everything down.
Maybe a
Cardio.
gift
Look
card to
behind you guys
Chick-fil-A.
with the wipe if you need
That was
How you guys feeling?
so
You good?
hard, Drew.
Good.
This
Yeah.
is no joke.
It's
It
no
is
joke.
no joke. Why
That's
is it
one
called
hour around
Orange
the
Theory?
country.
Like, what is that? Why is it called that?
The Orange Theory because we focus on getting you into the orange zone.
Oh.
Remember the afterburn, the anaerobic state. So actually, both of you guys, looking at your summaries. So wait, Jared, you got 33 splat points there.
yeah.
And then Erin, you got 29. So you guys are burning calories for the next 36 hours.
Do
I
people
do.
throw up in this class?
I had someone throw up in my class yesterday.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna throw up at one point.
Same. I had to stop because I literally thought I was gonna throw up.
So you guys are on your own. The coach is only here to guide you and obviously
course.
push you through.
You were good. You caught us like lowering a 0.1%. You'd be like, I didn't say lower.
All right,
we
guys.
gotta
Drew,
go.
we
Thank
can
you
stay here
so
all
much.
day.
Of course.
Can I
I'm
tell
thank you so
thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.
You guys
Well,
rock.
thank
You're
of
coming
course.
back.
I hope so.
Yeah,
I need
that's
you to
really
kick my
All right,
butt.
guys.
Yeah, okay.
See y'all later.
This episode was brought to you by Secret Active. Elevate your performance with Secret Active. Click left to watch Jaws and Jarrett become professional boxers, or click right to watch us eat crazy ice cream burritos.